Okay, we've been budgeting, but sometimes you just gotta shop. We have purchased 4 new dies for Christmas making and for pipe making. What does this look like to you? If you said Ferris wheel, I would say ding 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 ding. Actually, I think it's supposed to be a wagon wheel, but it looks like it could be a Ferris wheel, right? That's what we're going to be working to. And then these are to make Christmas cards that are puzzles or gifts that are puzzles. Isn't that fun? So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to open them up. Then for the Ferris wheels, I have some cardstock. I'm just going to play with different thicknesses to see if what makes the best sense, right? We want it to be a clean cut, but we also don't want to be spending too much on stuff like that if we don't have to. And then I gotta find the top part that's supposed to cover it. Oh, I guess that is it. Maybe that's the only one we have. Looks kind of large. Oh, I think we have a smaller one here. Yay. Okay. We have, oh my god, it's a little warped already? How is that possible? Okay. Hot summer. Okay, hopefully it still will cut and won't be an issue. Alright, open it up. So you can see here that the shapes are like this and cut out. And I just have to put this over here. I'll just do one at a time for now. Oh, I wonder if I can do two of these at the same time. Then that would be a set and we're good, right? And then I'll put the purple one on, even though it's a little warped, because maybe it'll help to straighten it out. That's weird. And then I'll run it through, and then we'll see what happens. I gotta put the camera down, sorry. We can get a little bit of video here, I think. Let me see if I hang it around my neck if anything comes out. See how that looks. Yay! It is beautiful. So now we have a shape that theoretically we can do something with and make a Ferris wheel. That's the idea anyway. Let's see what we can do with that. And we have some nice triangles. I wonder if maybe that foam would be good, huh? The little soft foam. Alright, anyway, so that's test number 1. Not bad.